Hey guys, happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. This week we're going to be continuing on with our Halloween theme. We are going to be decorating the house for Halloween. We're going to be doing this with lights and some DIYs and crafts that we've done in the past on my channel, and really just kind of making our house super fun and festive, leaning into the Halloween spirit. If you're interested in decorating my house with me for spooky season, then make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see more of my videos. I put out new videos every Sunday. We're gonna get changed and start our decorating. We're going to be partnering with the brand Cozy, and we're going to be using their multicolored lights to hang up our Halloween lights on the front porch. If you guys have been around on the channel for a while, then you know that I have worked with Cozy quite a few times now. They make all different kinds of lights. They have regular string lights, solar powered walkway lights, multicolored lights, different styles of light bulb, and I have used their solar powered walkway lights and their string lights, and this week we're going to be trying out their multicolored lights. And I'm super excited to try these out because I really love decorating for the holidays. I think these are going to be the perfect Halloween light to hang on the front porch. And these lights in particular are really cool because you can control the lights with an app on your phone. So you can change the color of the lights. You can make every single individual bulb a different color. You can set them up to a timer so that they turn on and off when you want each day. And you can even sync them up to your phone so that they go on and off with music through Bluetooth. So you could make like a little Halloween scene with your lights and your music. So I think these are going to be a really cool addition to our front porch Halloween decor. And I think that I want to kind of hang these in a way that is a little bit more messy and draping them in different lengths and overlapping them and that sort of thing. I want it to be a little bit more of a spooky, chaotic Halloween vibe. When I think of Halloween, I don't think that it's perfect and overly styled. I think it's a little bit more like all over the place. So I want to really kind of lean into that, and we're going to put up some of the decor that we already have and then also our lights. And I want to change the colors so that they are Halloween colors. So I'm thinking maybe like orange and purple so that we can have a really fun vibe for the month of October. A big thank you to Cozy for working with us this week. And if you're interested in checking out any of their lights, I'll link everything in the description box below for you guys so that you can see all of the different kinds of lights that they have to offer, and maybe even get yourself some lights for your Halloween decorations or Christmas, since that's right around the corner. Let's go ahead and head out front and we're going to put up our lights. That wraps up this week's video. I hope that you enjoyed decorating with me for the month of October and Halloween. I really love how it all turned out, and I always love every year bringing out old DIYs and projects that I've done in the past years and getting to decorate my house with seasonal decorations that are special to me and something that I created and get to enjoy every year. I think it's so much fun. It's really nice to just get to revisit those projects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of my videos. We have a ton of really fun Halloween and Christmas projects coming up as the holiday months move on, so you don't want to miss it. We also have some fun home decor things that we're going to be doing, so I'm super excited to be able to share those with you guys. If you are looking for any lights for your home, or if you want to give them as a gift, definitely check out XM Cozy. I love all of their lights. They're super beautiful. The lights that we put up for Halloween are so nice, and you're able to change each individual bulb, and they give off like a really nice calming color that I think is just so nice for lighting up your backyard or using for seasonal lights or whatever it may be. I definitely recommend them if you're looking for anything like that, so I will link all of their information in the description box below if you're interested in checking them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next Sunday.